the 2023 Special Olympics Bowling.
We're here today welcoming our elementary campuses where our special education students in the autism and life skills units are here participating in bowling with their teachers and teacher assistants. Today is a great day for LISD. We do have approximately 42 LISD volunteer staff and coaches who are helping us with this event. We also have representatives from our 3 high schools, student athletes who are also assisting today. So we're excited that LISD is in full force supporting our young athletes in this bowling event. We do have approximately 225 of our students from LISD participating and 14 campuses.